What's going on? An SVR? Bro, it's not showing. Wow, that's great, Mount Holly. We got an SVR.
Northern Somerset County, North Central Middlesex County, until 6
It's right over there. Oh gosh.
At 1:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millington or near Somerville.
Now we have an FFW for Berks, Chester, and Montgomery. I'm not gonna catch that. Dude, what the heck?
Impact,
Oh my gosh.
Siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Somerville,
What the heck?
Bridgewater, Madison, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Bound
I'm
Brook,
charging my
Mandel,
auto radios.
Mendham, Keeping and Gladstone, Far Hills, Colonial,
Bro, what the heck?
Martinsville, Basking Ridge, South Plainfield, North Plainfield, and Bernardsville. For your protection,
W660?
your room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Yep, it was on W660.
8 p.m. for the following counties in Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.
Bro, what the heck?
KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service forecast
Office located